Thank you, good people. Welcome back to Trailhead. So today we have a module called Prompt Builders Basics. So this module has 3 units. Those are 300 points. So we shall straight away go to the first unit. Get to know Prompt Builder. So when I click Get to know Prompt Builder, the learning objective is to identify what makes the prompt effective. List the prompt templates available in the prompt builder, then discuss the importance of the I've-seen trust layer. So as you know, we always have to read this important information in the yellow highlight. So the important information says this feature is not generally available and is being piloted with certain customer subject to additional terms and conditions. It is not part of the purchase service. This feature is subject to change. So you read also this, then the prompt templates and then prompt builder are described below here. I can see some good pool tables here. So you read through all this literature, but is it secure? They'll answer you here. And after this, you also have to do these 2 questions. So the first quiz says, how do you specify and content and how do you how do specificity and content impact prompt responses? So the first option is they have no effect on prompt responses. They lead to predictable and repetitive responses. They enhance the output by tailoring it to your equipment. To your requirement, they slow down the response time. So I see here the question has the basis of as number C, which is they enhance the output by tailoring it to your requirements. So question number 2, which prompt template type assists in generating personalized emails for customers? Question number 2 has option number 1 is sales email prompts, chatbox generations, and then field generations. So I see here option number B would be the right answer. Sales email prompt templates. So I check my quiz and then I get 100 points. So on top of the next unit. So the next unit is create and run prompt templates. The learning objectives are 4. The why and the how is described here. Build a scale email prompt template. This is also demonstrated here with some screenshots. So when you read through this, you go to run your template. They also explain how do you do this with some screenshots. Then add merge fields to a prompt template. They describe all this here with some screenshots. So at the end of it, you have to go to launch a new flow. This is how we launch a flow. If you've interacted with the system that is in the playground, you see when you click new flow, this is the window that pops up. So you ensure that you click for this particular module, you click prompt template flow, which is pilot. So the flow looks like this. You read all this through this. You can create a playground and then familiarize yourself with the screens and the flows. So this is a lengthy unit. But the good thing is if you've done the playgrounds, you'll be familiar with this. So at the end of this, we have a quiz with 2 questions. So the first one is true or false. Grounding is a technique used to provide context and specificity to prompt responses. The first answer is true or false. So to me, it's true. Question number 2. What is the requirement to create a field generation prompt template using prompt builder? So template name, recipient objectives, and objectives. Those are the 3. This says A and B would be the right answer. E says A and C. So template name is a right answer, and then object is also a right answer. So I'll go with part E, because part E says the right answer should be A, template name, and then C, object. So I'll check the quiz. So the trick with this quiz is you find A is the right answer, you may select A. B is not the right answer, but C is also the right answer. If you select C, A deselects. But the beauty is we have another option E, which says If the right answer is template name and object, then you select E. So I'll select E and then check my challenge. Thank you. I get it right. So I'll tackle the last unit. The last unit says review, revise, and then save the templates. So here you preview your prompt. They demonstrate this after some literature. They also review a generated response. All this you learn through this. You guard against toxicity. This is all taught here. You revise and save a prompt template. This is taught here. At the end of it, you'll have 2 questions to answer. When reviewing a prompt response, which considerations ensures accuracy and avoid including unintended information? 1 is bias, action goal completion, repetitions, and factual accuracy. So factual accuracy would be the right answer to this question. I'll go to question number 2. What are the 2 prompt builder features that allow users to preview and revise prompt responses? A is response and preview. B is resolution and response. C is preview and revise. And then D is specific and resolution. So here I'll say, what are the 2 prompt builder features that allow users to preview and revise prompt responses? To preview and revise. So I think the right answer would be B. When I check the challenge, I get it right. Thank you. So I'm happy that I've gotten all the right answers the first time. So I have my 300 points for these modules. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to get more new modules. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.